Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the quiet mode on the Instagram and the settings where the quiet mode setting is on the Instagram. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So to turn on the quiet mode on Instagram, you just want to first of all need to click on your profile. Now click on the three dots on the top. Now just click on the settings and privacy option. And now you just need to click on the time spent. Just click on the time spent option here, and then you just need to click on the notification setting on the bottom. Just click it. Now you can find an option called on the push notification. You will see an option called quiet mode. Just click this. Now here we will turn it on. Just click this. So this will mute your notification during the quiet mode. Your status and auto replay will be updated to the in quiet mode during the time you chosen. So you can turn on automatically and turn off automatically by using this option. So you can just choose the time, AM or PM, that you want to, and also to which PM or AM. So choose from and to, it will automatically turn on and turn off the quiet mode easily. So this is how you just set or turn on the quiet mode. Just go to, I just going to remaining soon. Just click on these three dots, go to setting and privacy, then click on the time spent, then click on the notification setting and click on the quiet mode. You can just turn it on. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable Instagram content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.